Alright, I'm out here at Wiley Avenue in Donalsonville, Georgia. As you can see, we got a quick update here to this double mast signal on this side. And I see this is still around, both the Safetran mechanicals are still here, though I think, if I recall correctly, the cantilever was dead. But on the side over here, on the double mast over here, both signals used to have a full-size Rico LED gate lights, but this one of the Rico LEDs, the one in the middle, apparently died and is now an NEG LED gate light. You might be able to see up there, you might be able to see the NEG logo. I'll get to the other side to show you the blank side of it. See NEG LED right there. The tip and the closest to the gate mech Rico LEDs are still around, and that signal is still untouched. Still got both early Safetran gate mechs too. But yeah, just thought I'd show you all this update here at Wiley Avenue in Donalsonville, Georgia. Over and out.